Hello friends, and welcome back to Gentle Herb Living, where we share time-tested, natural ways to care for your garden and your health. Today, I'm going to show you why you can finally stop buying harsh chemical weed killers and how you can make a safe, effective natural solution instead, using just a few simple ingredients you probably already have in your kitchen. Most commercial weed killers contain synthetic chemicals that linger in your soil, seep into groundwater, and harm pollinators like bees and butterflies. They can even irritate your skin and respiratory system, but you don't have to rely on those products to keep your garden neat and thriving. With a little creativity, you can harness natural plant-powered solutions to tackle weeds effectively without toxic side effects. One of the simplest and most powerful natural weed killers is vinegar. Regular household white vinegar contains acetic acid, which draws moisture out of plant leaves and causes weeds to wither within a day or two. To prepare your homemade spray, pour plain white vinegar into a clean spray bottle. For tougher, more established weeds, you can add a tablespoon of natural dish soap. The soap helps the vinegar stick to the leaves more effectively so it can do its job faster. Another ingredient you can include is salt. Salt disrupts the plant's ability to absorb nutrients and water. Mix 1 cup of table salt into 1 gallon of vinegar and stir until it's completely dissolved. Then add a teaspoon or so of dish soap. When you apply this mixture directly to weeds on a dry, sunny day, you'll see them begin to yellow and collapse within hours. Just remember that salt will linger in the soil and prevent other plants from growing, so use it carefully, only on paths, patios, driveways, or areas where you don't want anything to grow at all. If you prefer something even gentler, try boiling water. Simply heat a kettle to a rolling boil and pour the water directly over the base of the weeds. This method is especially effective for small weeds popping up between cracks in pavers or bricks. It works by instantly destroying the plant cells on contact, causing them to shrivel and die within a day. Best of all, boiling water leaves no residue behind. For extra weed-fighting power, you can combine methods. For example, pour boiling water first to weaken the weed, then follow up with your vinegar and salt spray later the same day. Always take care to protect any nearby plants you want to keep. These natural solutions don't discriminate between weeds and your favorite flowers. If you found this guide helpful, and you're ready to say goodbye to chemical weed killers forever, be sure to subscribe to Gentle Herb Living and click the bell so you never miss our natural gardening tips. Share this video with friends and family who want a healthier, more sustainable way to care for their gardens. Together, let's keep growing vibrant spaces filled with life, not chemicals.